It's brilliant.
Nope.
Guess what we are playing? Guess who hit me? Guess who hit me? Yeah. If I guess right, if I guess you, you come. So you exchange the spot, sir. If I guess you, and guys, please be nice. 3, 2, 1, go. See you hit. Hey! Bobby. Bobby.
You see Bobby there?
Huh?
Yeah, madam.
Walai, that's not Bobby. Yo, hey. Oh, hey. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Bobby. Bobby, bro, that's you. No. Walai, no. Okay. Miss. Okay. No. Bobby kuja bro. Nikuja tu hapa. Ni yeye si ndio? Ni yeye si ndio? No siangalia no bro. Hata kuangalia kwa tu sawa.
Ngoje. Kwanza. Haya. It's brilliant.
Nope.
It's brilliant. Kaa hapo chini, wewe nakupea kizibo.
Nakasema chini.
Ngoja nichukue kiburi.
Lakini ni demu. Hiki ni chungu. Have mercy on her. Sawa.
Rudi hapo chini mzetu kuonyesha da.
Acha ni upala bro.
That was good guesswork.
Is it painful?
No, it's very loud.
Ni loud lakini amusikicho.
Vaa helmet.
Guys, najua mimi.
Vaa helmet. Nini?
Guys, have mercy on me guys. Lakini guys, you guys are hitting bana. Hey! Alafu ona, I'm just from retouch guys. I'm just from retouch. Okay. I'm just from retouch guys. My head is painful. Okay. Hey. I'm just from retouch guys. Let's go. Bobby.
Mimi hapo. Hapo angalia mbele.
Okay. Bobby.
Ayo, achokoleza. Yeah.
Take a seat. Sit up front.
It's brilliant.
Wait. Are you using that reflection?
No. It isn't.
No, bro. Let me remove the cover.
Which one?
Hapo hivi. Is it you reflect?
I reflect. Sio nakwambia. Wewe ziona.
Miss, can you see? Bobby, are you sure?
Wewe ziona.
Unaona vizuri.
So you can see when the color is changing white.
But sio kuona hivi.
Hey, well, let's just remove it, bwana. You guys will not be beating me here for free. Hey.
Guys, tap bana Joe. Let's reach 100 million followers.
100 million. Who has 100 million?
Yeah, here we go.
Let's keep on pushing niggas. Me buy your design. Sijikama na busy.
This thing is very loud.
Wallahi. Okay, let's go on. Kabi kibu yangu. Now, lakini bado tu ina reflect. Kama mbaya.
Mimi sioni juu machanga haifiki so.
Machako?
Haifiki huko.
Anga look forward. Look forward.
Oh. Bovi.
Ati City. Aye. No, bro, chill. How did you know? Okay. Kuna pattern hapa guys. No, it was just a game. No, I'm not serious, bro. It's not a game. Take it, bro. It's a game. Bro, in the game. This. Is it you? Wale kitu kimaliza ni headache. Azeti nitoa specs. Are you okay? Madam, are you good?
Don't kill me now.
No. You're the one who has dropped that bomb on me.
Okay, that was very soft.
That was very soft. It's okay.
Bovi.
Sit down. Look front.
Bovi.
No, unajuaje sasa? You guy, my guy. Mwana ndo the boy. We go last one. We go last round, si ndio?
Nani alikuwa anaanza wewe? You were the first one.
You was the first?
You were the first. You were starting.
So if I go then we finish, si ndio?
Okay. Sit down. People.
Meditate. Look in.
Relax.
Control mzee. Relax. Relax. No bro, come on, it's brilliant. The fuck what was so much yangu bro. Why did you say my name? You already said Miss Brilliant, bro. Come on. Yeah. Bro is going to finish with this time.
Your design. Mimi ndo mnagonga. Maybe hapo ni kuonyesha how this shit goes. In last round.
Like and sub, nigga. Like and sub. Yeah, this is the last round.
Va hiyo kitu.
Like and sub. Hey. Bro, why you threatening me? Who's the man you threaten? Mbona ni threaten, bro? Why you threatening me? No, bro, why?
You dead.
Ooh. Okay. Bovi. Iacha ufala ji. Acha upala bro, movie cup.
Nani kupiga?
Wewe. No it's movie si ndio?
Zilikuwa round ya mwisho man, zimeisha.
Lakini wewe umenipiga si ndio? Lakini wewe unanipiga si ndio kama zina amenihit. Movie cup, come and enjoy the last one bro. Just come bro.
Zilikuwa round ya mwisho man.
Kama tumalizie bro. Just come and finish for us bro. Hii uzi drop banga kai hiyo ji.
Zilikuwa round ilikuwa. Yana mwisho. You're done.
Yo, chat, like and sub guys.
Nimekuonjesha.
Wow.
Mbaya.
Yo, this thing feels like an explosive hapo kwa
I
kichwa
saw
wako.
that coming.
Wow. Okay.
Wallahi that one I saw coming. Nilikuwa najua tu.
Atanipiga hiyo design, si ndio?